Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to join iCloud shared album. All right, first up, you need to make sure that you have this setting turned on. So first up, go ahead and go to settings. Now tap on your iCloud. Now go ahead and tap on, again, iCloud right here. And once that's done, got to find photos. Okay, tap on photos and make sure that sync this phone is enabled. So why is that? Because if you have it turned off, you won't receive the shared album invitation that will look like this. Now, another option to check where the invitation is that you can go ahead over to your Photos app. And once you're in here, at the very top, you will receive a shared album invitation. Also, when you go ahead and scroll all the way down, under shared albums, you'll be able to see it here as well. So all you got to do is just accept it, and then once done, you're good to go. All right. So again, if you have this one turned off and then you just turned it on, ask the sharer to resend the invitation so that you'll be able to get the invitation notification right here or under the Photos app. And that is how you join an iCloud shared album. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.